Hello and welcome back to another lunch ideas video. Before we get into the video, please support us by subscribing and pressing the notification bell. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share. And most certainly we'd like to say a big thank you to those who have been supporting us so far. Let's waste no more time and get into the cooking.
Okay, so today we're going to make some tuna sandwich for lunch. The children already know how to do this, but since I'm doing it today and there's not a video of it, I've decided to video it. It's a very quick video. Put some tuna in, sweet corn in. This is for one person really. Oh, it can be for two persons, but I'm just making for one person today. Some will be left over, I think. So here's some scotch bonnet pepper just to give it a little kick. Some some red onion. You can put less onion if you want to. And some spring onion and sweet pepper. I've used tuna in sunflower oil, so we may not need any salt, but if you use the one in brine, we'll definitely need a pinch of salt to bring up the flavor. I'll see how this goes. If it does need a little bit of salt, I'll still tip a little bit in there. Putting some mixed herbs in. Putting some, oops, that's too big. I was going to put some black pepper, but it's the wrong one. But if you have black pepper, put some in. And I'm going to put a little bit of this fish seasoning in there. It's all dried, natural ingredients. Okay. And finally, a bit of mayonnaise. I'm not going to put a lot of this because I don't like to have too much of these fatty things. But you can put more or less if you want to. Right, putting that in wrap, I like to put some vegetable first so that if this soaks through, it doesn't wet the bread too much. So I'm going to put it there like that. And another one on top. And then wrap it all up. That's your sandwich. That's your tuna and sweet corn wrap done.